grip the lies, but I hold the pen. Corporate greed bleeds through every vein. Sell you a cure while they harvest your pain. Pills for the mind, chemicals for the soul. Profit margins climb while your health takes the toll. Fast food chains, slow poison in disguise. They feed the masses, but their truth dies. Microwaves hum with the silent despair, killing the nutrients, but who seems to care? A healed body's a threat to their gold. A cycle of sickness is the story they've sold. Wake up, Chantel, the pattern's clear. Your health's a commodity, their profit's near. And when I shout these truths from the mouth, I'm labeled a heretic, my voice doesn't count. The word is bond. Word is bond. The age of awakening is breaking through. A love revolution, our minds renew. Tear down the systems, expose what's untrue. The power's in us, not in the few. Healing the earth, rewriting the song. A unity rising where we belong. This artificial world, let it expire. When I speak the truth, I'm lighting the fire. Spread the awareness, align with your faith. Love is divine, our original state. Oh yes it is, yes it is. Look at Jamal, stuck scrolling his phone. A virtual kingdom, but his spirit's alone. Influenced by algorithms, blind to the plot. Chained by the screens, he sees what he's taught. News anchors lie with the practice grin. The puppets of fear to keep control within. Oh Lord, the world's in distress, but faith in the system only leads to less. Education's a factory, not a beacon of light. They teach to obey, not to question the fight. Oh Lord, are we too far gone? Fluoride clouds, what the third eye sees, and they mock those who find truth in the trees. Religion's a tool, not the path to grace. The unseen whispers hold the real embrace. They sell us dreams in a lotto's breath, but destiny's shaped by the thoughts we've kept. And music's vibration, a weapon of war. They tune us to chaos, we deserve more. If chakras align, the spirit ignites, but they bury the knowledge in veils of fright. To question the world is a revolutionary act, but ignorance claps back with fiction as fact. No denying, we built this facade, but beneath the surface we're one with God. The age of awakening is breaking through. A love revolution, our minds renew. Tear down the systems, expose what's untrue. The power's in us, not in the few. Healing the earth, rewriting the song. A unity rising where we belong. This artificial world, let it expire. When I speak the truth, I'm lighting the fire. Spread the awareness, align with your faith. Love is divine, our original state. Oh yes it is, yes it is. They profit off fear, but love's the key. The higher vibration will set us free. No more divide, no more disguise. The truth's in our hearts, not in their lies. Rise up my people, the time is now. Align with the stars, remember how. The age of Aquarius. Rise up my people, the time is now. Align with the stars, remember how. The age of Aquarius lights the path. Let's rewrite the script, escape their wrath. Oh Lord, here we rise. Shattering systems, unveiling the lies. Love is the answer, the ultimate state. And in this new dawn, it's never too late. We are divine and we are beginning to remember. We are made in love and we are beginning to remember. Yes we are, oh indeed we are.
So the video you've just watched is me giving you a small example of what we could do with AI right now. And it's just so much better. This is just the technology that I have and what I'm working with. The point is, moving forward on this planet, I want to be a source of good. I don't want to be part of the division and bringing people to fight against each other. And the music was something that I believe was used to program us to be at a very low vibration. So with AI, with the technology, the I Need You to Remember project that I'm doing, I can use the music now to upgrade the frequency, because a song that you just listened to, you could see, you listen to, you feel good about yourself. You feel good about us coming together and hopeful. So that's part of the whole I Need You to Remember project. It's just to use the medium that's available to us, the entertainment, the music, the poetry, the videos, the movies, and to use all of that to raise the consciousness on the planet, and to do it in a manner that's entertaining. So someone is not forced to sit through anything, but they're just listening to it, bobbing their head, and before you know it, the subconscious mind's taking in a different program. It's taking in the program, we're made of love, we're divine, we're beginning to remember. So if this resonates with you, I'm asking you, just click on the link below or wherever you've seen this video and support the I Need You to Remember Indiegogo campaign, because this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm creating. And I just know as we move forward, we could achieve world peace without asking any leaders or anything. Because as we become peaceful within and joyous within and forgiving within, and I'm doing the how you pronounce the Opopono prayer or whatever, but even learning that, and I'll talk about that more in another video. Oponopono, I believe that's how you say it. Yeah, the Oponopono prayer. I think it's I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, and thank you. So everything that I'm doing is about just raising the vibration and bringing the consciousness up. Now, people are different levels of consciousness, so I'm going to have to create different content to reach them where they are. I Need You to Remember is just a plan of mine to bring the world together, to operate from a place of love, operate from a place of peace, of joy, and allowing people to people. I believe that we're just decent, loving beings, and we've been programmed to, in this matrix, to start fighting for material things and all sorts of nonsense that doesn't make any sense. So I Need You to Remember is asking us as a community to remember. And what I mean by remember is also to recall information that we're divine, but remember the hand has 5 fingers, and each finger is a member of the hand. Each of us are members of humanity. So I'm asking us to remember, to rejoin the human family, and just let's make this place heaven and earth while we're here. So if this resonates, please click on the link below, support the Indiegogo campaign. We have things that I'm going to create. We're going to love it. It's going to make a difference, because just like how The Secret came out and that movie made a difference on the planet, the I Need You to Remember movie that I'm working on, and the mini movies, I know it will shift the consciousness. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care.